Welcome back and Happy New Year. We are going to start the year with a new series, and it's going to be a weekly series. We're going to do embellished playing cards. Now, if you don't have a regular deck of playing cards, I think I got these at Dollar Tree. You can get them anywhere, Walmart, Dollar Tree. If you don't have cards or if you don't want to go out and spend the money, you can use old flashcards that you might have in your stash. You can use, these are smaller cards that I got at Dollar Tree. These are perfect. They're a little bit smaller than oh, it might be the same size. Whoops, I don't know. Let's see. Guess it doesn't really matter. But yeah, it's a little bit smaller. You can use those. You can use maybe you have an old pack of greeting cards that you're not ever going to use. You can either cut out pieces from your greeting card and embellish onto your playing card, or just use the card itself and then just cut it, and then you can decorate the card itself. The other thing you can do, I have the large playing cards. I think I had these when my kids were little and we used to play all the time. We used to play War. I think that was the card game. So I have these. I don't know if I'll ever use them, but this is another option if you ever find them at the thrift store, or if a craft store ever sells them again. I have not seen them. I would love to be able to buy some more instead of using the old ones that I have. And then what we're gonna do too is once we're done with each card, you can buy these little photo albums at Dollar Tree. I've seen them there. You can probably find them at any craft store, but you can fit, look at this, I think you can fit two side by side. Perfect. So that's how you can store them after you're done, just like that. So that'll work perfect. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and jump on in. I don't want to make this video too long. It's very simple, a lot of fun. Just move these things out of the way. Okay, so what we're going to start with is I don't have any Mod Podge. You can use Mod Podge. You can use a white glue water mixture combo that kind of mimics the Mod Podge. I tried that and I couldn't get the ratio correct, so I just went ahead and opened up my white gesso. Let me close this so I can show you what it is. So this is the Artist Loft gesso, white gesso. It's just the academic level #1, so it's nothing fancy, nothing special. I got it at Michael's. You can get it anywhere. Any other brand is just fine. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a few of these since I'm gonna do one of these each week of the year. So I'm just gonna go ahead and gesso a few of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this back like this. I'm just gonna cover this up a little bit just to mute it. You don't want it bright. So we're just gonna put it a little bit on here and cover it all. So that way just kind of dulls what the picture is, what you have going on in the background. Okay, so just gonna do that. Okay, go ahead and do another one here real quick. So I'm ready for my next week's playing card. So I hope everyone had a great holiday. Wherever you are in the world, wherever you're watching from and however you celebrate. We all celebrate the new year, obviously. But as far as all the other holidays, I hope everyone had a very joyful holiday with their friends and family. So there's that one. And let's do one more, just so they can get dried. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, I'm gonna do the series. I think I'm gonna post this. So obviously today is, what is today? Today is January 9th. So I did not get this first one done in the first week of the year. It's a little late, but that's okay. So we got those 3 going. Let's see. I'll set this off. I gotta wipe my hands here. Okay, so I did pull out a few items that you can use to decorate. You can use anything. You know, right now, since it's the new year, I want to do like a New Year's theme. So I have washi tape that just says Happy New Year. And I got this. I've had this for many years. I've only used it one time. So I've had that for many years. I'm sure it's still available. I don't know if it'll be that color, that style, that font, but I'm sure you can find a Happy New Year washi tape somewhere in a craft store. And then I have these little wooden snowflakes. They are silver. I did not paint them. That's how they came. I also have gold, like a gold paint on it, and I think some plain wood, plain brown style. And I have these little silk flower material flowers that I found at my stash. And then these items here. I also have these little silver bedazzled jewelry type findings that I've had again for many years. And I'm gonna probably use something from this bowl to decorate onto my card. And then I also have some distress ink, which we will probably, you know, decorate around the edges like this, kind of make a little, I don't know what you call it. Follow me, follow me. I mean, follow with me, follow along. Just agree with what I'm saying. And then the next thing too, I want to use these little phrases or words stickers. So I did go through and I found one and it's perfect. It says Happy New Year. This is a Tim Holtz. Again, I had these for years. I've used several from each little folder, but this one is called Tim Holtz Small Talk. I don't know if he makes them anymore. It's occasions, so you can probably find this. I would just go online and see in your different craft stores and see if they still have it. Again, I've had these probably 6-7 years now. So I'm gonna use the Happy New Year for sure. I'm gonna use the washi tape. I'm gonna use some of these, and I'm gonna use some little embellishments. So I am just gonna go ahead. It looks like the edges might be dry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use some distress ink. Now this is called Black Soot. So this one, I'm just gonna take a little bit right here. This is, I got this at Dollar Tree. I think it's like a blush makeup brush, but it's really soft and you can use it for just kind of brushing the distressed ink on things, and it works really nice, super soft. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's do this here. Okay. Yeah, I should wait till these are dry, but you know what? It's okay. I think it's still gonna turn out wonderful no matter what we do. Just a little bit. You know, don't come at me. Don't tell me I should have waited. I know I should have waited, but that's okay. If you're in a hurry to make a gift for someone, this is a perfect little gift. If you're using this for a tag on a Christmas present, if you're, you know, further down in the year when we're gonna do the next cards, you know, through the holidays and stuff. These are really cute tag ideas for Christmas presents or birthday presents or anniversary, anything like that you can use, or you can use these for. So, okay, so we got that. So let's see, I think we're gonna want to, I'm gonna open this back up. I might need a little bit. So I wanna let's put these off to the side. What are we gonna do with this? I think we're going to, I'm gonna put a little bit of gesso on the back because it does work like a little glue. So let's go ahead and put this little flower, I'm gonna put this like right here. Okay, then let's see, the light I should have clear gesso, that would be better just in case it gets on our little embellishments. I'm going to do, let's see, which one I'm gonna do, a big one. I think what I want to do is, oh, we can do that one last. Okay, let's put this one on. Okay, let's put this on. Put a little bit on the back. A little bit, whoops. Okay, let's put that there. Okay. Then let's see. You can use all kinds of stuff to cover. You can use tissue paper. You can use stencils. That's going to be something I'll use for one of my next, one of the week's projects. I'll use a stencil with the gesso. I'll show you different ways you can embellish. This is just a a quick, simple, let's just get started type of a project. And then we're gonna stick this little guy right there. We'll overlap it a little bit like that. And let's see. Then I think I want to put something in the middle. Let's see what we have here. Let's try, what is that gonna look like? No, that one does not look good. How about a little heart that says made with love? Nope, not the right one for this project. We've got this little guy. Nope. Oh, this one might work. How about that? Let's do that one. That might work. Yeah, let's do that one. Okay, so I think at this point, I'm gonna put a little dab on here. Okay. And then we'll just stick it on there. That should work. Okay, whoops. So now we want to do a Happy New Year, but we also want to put, let's put, no, I don't want to do that yet. I think we're gonna just put this guy on here. Oops, that didn't work. Let's see. The tape is, the washi tape is old, so it doesn't, it's a little bit more fragile. Oops, oh, this might not work. Let's do this and then start it over. Okay. Okay, oops, I just, sorry guys, hang with me. Oh my goodness, might not be able to do this one. I did another card and it worked fine, but I did a practice. No, let's try this. Just tear this again. Sorry if I'm going out of screen. Oh goodness, okay. We're gonna use this. I think we're just using this one for now. There we go. So we're gonna do a Happy New Year. Okay, so I know it's a little crooked. Now, because we are not using this tape, I wonder, should we put a little gold flower? Well, see, okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my crocodile. I'm gonna wait until it's all dry, and I'll show this in my next video, how I put the hole. So I'm gonna put the hole in the corner. I was deciding if I was gonna do the middle or the corner. But I'm gonna do the corner because I'm gonna hang them on this. This won't be big enough to hang. I don't think it'll be big enough to hang all 52. But as we do more and more, if I need to get a bigger one, I'll go to the store and get a bigger one. But I'm gonna hang them, and then I'll hang it on one thing by the end of the year. So I think we're just gonna leave this as it is, just like that. So Happy New Year. I know it's a little crooked. It's gonna get my OCD going a little bit, but yeah, I'll just make it straight like that. So anyways, hope you like this video, this tutorial, and again, Happy New Year. Hope everyone's gonna have a wonderful, healthy year ahead of us, and I will see you. Oh yeah, let's see, when am I gonna post my videos? Today. Typically, I think I will try to do my weekly video for the year. Since the first day of the year was Thursday, maybe I'll try to do like every Thursday or Friday for the card, for the playing card. We'll see, it'll work out. Alrighty, if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave your comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And have a great day. Alrighty, take care. Bye-bye, guys.